All right, guys, this is our hot brown, turkey hot brown, and it originated from a hotel in Louisville, Kentucky. And we're going to show you the a la carte application of this. And this video is intended for a catering function that we're doing. So this is going to be a little bit different as how we display it and present it. We're sending this meat and cheese. This is sliced smoked turkey breast in this pan. Bring it on in. We've got, we're going to have melted cheddar cheese. It's a sharp cheddar. We're going to top it with bacon. This is how this will come down at the function, just like that. Warmed up, ready to go. And our wonderful catering staff down there is going to finish the process of this. This is how this sandwich is supposed to look. It goes on a nice toasted piece of Texas toast bread. You want to go ahead with the tomatoes? Tomatoes in the sauce. Sean's putting a tomato on. And actually the sauce. Maybe we should put the sauce and then a tomato. So we'll just do a dollop of a cheese sauce, which is cream, Parmesan, and cheddar cheese. And the tomatoes. And that is your open face turkey hot brown.
Easy money.
Hey, Allie, what's going on?
Hello, Allie.
Easy money.
But anyway, Allie, so you're just going to prepare this in the pan, just like that. We'll send you the sauce and the tomatoes. You can put just one tomato on it if you want. We'll even send you some sticks, and you can really act like you care. You know what I'm saying? So this is really going to look good in presentation. This is a light turkey jus, if you will, that this is laying in, so it'll stay nice and moist. And this is the way this sandwich is supposed to be, nice and creamy and soupy and sloppy and wonderful. It's going to be awesome. So there you go.
We like soupy and sloppy.
Thank you,
around here.
Allie.
Bye, Allie.